Meaning of defied.
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 Defied. The word defied means to openly resist or challenge a person, authority, or norm. When someone defies something, they refuse to comply with it, and instead, they act in opposition to it. The result of defying can vary, depending on the situation and context. Sometimes, defying can lead to positive changes, such as challenging injustice. However, it can also result in negative consequences, such as punishment or backlash from those in power. Defying can be a courageous act, but it can also be risky, especially in situations where there is a power imbalance.